Hi, I'm Pete Kutzer with the ORVIS Fly Fishing Schools. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a great cast when you're throwing maybe a large indicator rig or a large streamer, maybe a dry dropper rig. That's going to help you get into that fishing zone a lot quicker, a lot easier, and prevent a lot of these tangles. And that's a cast called the water haul. To make this water haul, we want to start with some line on the water, and we're going to peel this line off the water nice and easily. We peel that line off the water. What I like to do is turn my thumb into the direction I want to cast. And then I can push with my thumb upstream, getting that fly back up into that zone. So it's a nice, smooth, easy peel. I like to turn my thumb and then push it in that direction I want that fly to go. If it doesn't go exactly where you want to send it, you can make a simple roll cast to get that line back downstream and get your line nice and tight. The key to this cast is that line nice and straight. With my line straight, now as soon as I start to make a move upstream, I'm bending that rod nice and easily, and I'm loading that rod with energy that I can then propel back upstream. So I'm holding onto that line, I turn my thumb underneath, I peel this line up off the water nice and smoothly. Now I can make that easy flip, and now I can get back to fishing my fly. I can strip in a little bit of line, lift my rod tip up, and now make sure I get that indicator drifting nice and easily. This is a great cast when you're indicator fishing. If you're streamer fishing, maybe you're dead drifting a streamer, or fishing maybe multiple dry flies. When we're fishing with this cast, there's a couple things that I see folks sometimes do that can cause some troubles with this water haul. The first one is they don't peel the line off the water. They just try to make a flick straight upstream, and it usually lands in a big pile right here. That can cause a lot of tangles, especially if you have a multiple fly rig. The second thing I tend to see is a little bit of a windup. We want to keep this rod out in front of us. Notice the rod stayed in between me and the camera the whole time. What we don't want to do is wind up back behind us and then try to throw it forward. That can throw a lot of slack into the system and just not give us a great presentation, and we're working a lot harder. Let's keep it easy. Keep that line downstream nice and straight. I like to turn my thumb, peel this line off the water all the way to the indicator, nice easy flip. You'll get a nice smooth loop rolling upstream. It'll turn over those flies nicely, and you're fishing a lot more efficiently. That's how you do the water haul, so thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.